Okay, everybody, Chris here, back with another fun magic trick. This is the linking paper clips trick. I've got here a dollar bill, and I've got two paper clips on it. I've got one on this side, and I've got one on this side. They are separate from each other. I give the dollar bill a pull, and the paper clips are now magically linked. This is a really fun magic trick. It's really fun, it's really easy, and it works almost automatically. Now, I'm using really big paper clips because I want this to look really visible on camera. And I'm going to separate the paper clips now. So what you do is you take your dollar bill. You can also use a piece of paper. I'm just using a dollar bill because it's already the right size, and it's quicker and easier that way. But you take your dollar bill and you fold it like this, so that it's in, if you're looking at it from the top down, it looks like an S. Looks just like an S. And then you're going to put the paper clips, and I'm going to give you a different camera angle. You put the paper clips on the dollar bill, like this. And you put the paper clips on the second paper clip on the dollar bill the same way, just like I showed you before. And I'm going to do this with the camera over my shoulder so you can see it even easier too. So basically, it's like you're clipping the top of the S and the bottom of the S. And then it just works automatically. You give the dollar bill a pull on each end, the paper clips fall, and they are actually linked. Now, when you do this for your friends over Zoom, you might want to have it so that you can see your tabletop so that people don't think you're just picking up a pair of paper clips that are already linked. But in this case, I wanted the camera to be up here where you can see me putting the dollar bill together. So now I'm going to show you another view of the paper clips actually going onto the dollar bill. I'm going to do it from my perspective, like you're looking over my shoulder, and you can have your dollar bill or your paper in your hands and your paper clips and just kind of match my action. So here we go. So let me show you the dollar bill before the paper clips go on it. Got the dollar bill, hold it flat so you're looking at the edge, and you fold it just into an S like this. So this part goes over about halfway, and the out underneath goes over just like that. And if you look at this, it looks just like an S. Now your two paper clips, one is going to go right here, where this top part meets right here, and the second paper clip is going to go at the bottom of this loop right here to right here. I'm going to put those in place because it's hard to do it while I keep the camera in angle, but I'll do my best. There we go. So I've got them clipped. I'm going to give it a tug. The paper clips are probably going to go flying out of camera range, but I'll show you how they are linked. You're just going to take each end of the dollar bill and give it a quick tug. Yep, and they went out of camera view. Let me get them. And you will see the paper clips are actually linked together. It's a fun magic trick. So when you do this magic trick for yourself, you can use a longer piece of paper. You can use a white piece of paper so the paper clips maybe show up better against it. You can use bigger paper clips. You can use colored paper clips. You can use silver paper clips, gold paper clips. I like using a dollar bill because a dollar bill looks like it's a regular piece of paper. In other words, it doesn't look like anything tricky. Some people, if you use a regular piece of paper, they might think you're doing something tricky with a piece of paper, but it's up to you. So experiment with this and have fun with it. The linking paper clips is a classic of fun close-up magic. Have fun.